Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Share Alive. I'm based in Sydney, Australia. If you're new to my channel, I'm here to welcome you all. In this video, I'm so excited to show you what my recent experience at Hermes Sydney Store. They just have a reopening and relocation. The new address is 155 King Street, Sydney, Australia. And they have moved to this new building, and I prepared this nice video for you. And they reopened on the 13th of June 2020. As I heard lots of people talking about, there will be some surprise on the reopening. So I have made an appointment with my lovely SA on the 14th of June. But I can't wait to see the new store. So I went on the 13th, the first day, and I tried to line up in the queue. You can have a look here. It's up to here. There were about 50 people in front of me, and I wait for 1 hour. Here you go. The queue wasn't moving at all. 1 hour later, the queue still not moving. Let's look at here, and I saw someone actually got a big orange bag. I wonder what's inside the box. And I went to the front of the queue. Oh, see, so many people are waiting, still not moving. And I actually asked the first lady on the queue and what time she was here waiting, and she said she was here since 6 a.m. in the morning. And I actually left an hour after waiting because there is no chance to get in. So the next day I come back with my proper appointment, and I was able to get in at the side entrance by the call from my SA. She called me. She let me in from the side door. Since I have appointment, it's much easier. Everything is just went quickly. It's not like the first day when I queue up, and I was so stressful. Don't know whether I need to wait for a few hours. So as I can't take any video inside, I can only show you guys some of my model shoot and official photo of the building. So there are many interesting things to show you, and the building are 3 levels, and the ground levels has lots of Hermes jewelry and timepieces at the entrance area, which is this level. And the highlight of the new store is the stairs, and I did take a picture next to the stair, and it made with marbles and ash wood. My SA told me those wood use high temperature steam to make the shape, and are all handmade, and which is absolutely amazing. And when you see it, you will see, oh, it's such a masterpiece. My eyes are extremely busy on that day. You can believe that, as this is the first time in Australia you get the chance to see the furniture and homeware. Plus, the most exciting part is the display handbag section. And I try to take a few pictures to show you guys what is inside. And the surprise part of this reopening of Hermes is usually you will need a quite long time to build up a relationship with Hermes before the sales associate will offer you any handbags to appreciate your royalty. As I heard a lot of story from my friend, and she is a regular Hermes customer, and she has been waiting more than a year before they offer her Hermes handbag. And I have another story of my friend. She really loved to get her dream bag of Birkin 25. However, she has been waiting for more than 3 years, but still no luck. So the reopening is more offer, I believe, and so everyone's waiting. That's why the queue is so long, and everyone believes there is some surprise or they will give you something they don't usually give. So I heard even a new Hermes customer actually has been offered something due to the reopening. So they did get something what they don't usually give out. So let's see what they offer me. This is what my SA offered me, even though the hardware is not I really prefer, but I still like this combo. Let me open up, do a quick unboxing. And I already know what's it because she offered me. She actually said that for the silver hardware I can choose several colors, and for the gold hardware I can choose several colors. And for the gold hardware, she offered me red or blue. And for the silver hardware, my SA said they have lime color, purple color, orange color, and black. So at the end, I did pick the common easy color, which is the black. It's in Clemens leather, silver hardware, size 18. And I know myself, I've been having 22, and I prefer 18. 18 is the cutest size, and because my height is about 158 cm, and this is the best size for me. And it comes with a little pouch here with one lock and 2 keys. Okay, now I just quickly pop this in, then you can see the look after putting the lock in. So should I put it here to secure the thing? So this way, very easy. Now I'm gonna show you each rodelle that I got and put it on my picotin. Since this picotin is in black color, so it's so easy to match with any colors rodelle, even all black. And I'm so lucky to can get those color combo that I like. This rodelle is in PM size, and you can adjust a little bit here. Yeah. And you can see the tone here is better. Yep, let me change another one. Just give you a bit of idea of each combo, then maybe you have your combo that you like in your mind, then you can ask your SA or go to the website to see if they have any available. And I'm so lucky to get the all black PM size rodelle, which is matching my black picotin so well. So it's like all in black. What do you think about this? This is my favorite color. But for those colorful ones, I think it's still very cute. It just brighten up the back. And this is so cute. It's just like the Hermes paper bag. A mini paper bag. There's a bit of detail. Has the Hermes logo at the front. And both sides has the same thing. Let me see. Yep. So these 4 back charm are from this season. So I got some older years rodelle here is from my collection. So now I'm gonna put MM size on. You can see the size different. So whatever colors still match because this bag in black color, so it's so easy to catch your attention. Which combo do you like? You can leave your comments down below to let me know what do you think. Do you have any questions to ask me? And I'm based in Sydney. If you have anything you are after and you don't know, you want to know the answer, you can actually inbox me through IG as well, and I'm happy to answer your questions. They're also pretty so slow. I'm trying to put it on one by one, but it does take time to put it in. I don't know whether you can see it properly or not. This one also PM size and PM size. And the last model I'm going to show you is this bright yellow. I find that they're all so cute, so nice. So I keep collecting them. Yeah, there you go. And also I picked up a necklace. It's in the traditional classic H necklace. This time I picked pink color in a rose gold version. It's quite nice. I'm gonna put it on quickly for you to see. Sometimes this necklace sold out quickly. I like the length because it's not too short or too long. It's just sitting right up here, and I find that it's quite nice. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys like my video, and please subscribe my channel. And I'm doing a giveaway this month. Don't forget to join the draw, the lucky draw. I hope you are one of the lucky person. Thank you so much. Bye bye.